In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView app on an iPad. If you want a smoother charting experience on a larger screen, the iPad version of TradingView is a great option. It gives you more space to analyze charts, manage watch lists, and work with tools in a way that feels much more flexible than on a phone. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the core actions you need to get started and navigate the app comfortably. First, download and open the official TradingView app from the iPad App Store. Make sure you're installing the official version so you get the proper features, updates, and syncing support. Once the app is installed, launch it and let it load completely so everything is ready to use. Next, log into your account. This is important because signing in allows the app to automatically sync your saved layouts and watch lists. If you've already been using TradingView on another device, this step helps you continue where you left off without having to rebuild your workspace. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your chart setup consistent across devices, especially if you switch between desktop, phone, and iPad. Once you're inside the app, start getting familiar with chart interaction. You can use an Apple Pencil or simple touch gestures, depending on what feels more natural to you. To access drawing tools, tap the pencil icon in the bottom left corner. This opens the drawing menu so you can begin marking up charts more precisely. If you prefer hands-on navigation, you can also pinch on the screen to zoom in or out and scale the axis. This makes it easier to inspect price action closely or zoom back out for a wider market view. Taking a moment to practice these gestures will make the app feel much more intuitive. After that, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This is a quick access menu that helps you add important tools without digging through extra panels. From here, you can quickly add indicators, alerts, or drawings. This shortcut is especially useful when you want to move quickly during analysis and keep your workflow efficient. Finally, tap the chart layout icon in the top right corner to switch to multi-chart splits that are optimized for the iPad display. This is one of the biggest advantages of using TradingView on a tablet because it allows you to view multiple charts in a more organized way. It's useful for comparing assets, checking different timeframes, or monitoring several setups at once. Once you're comfortable with these basics, the app becomes much easier to navigate, and your charting process becomes faster and more efficient.